Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 10 jobs you can pursue after learning data science. Data science is a rapidly growing field that involves using statistical and machine learning techniques to analyze and interpret data. Today, we will be discussing 10 different job roles that you can pursue after learning data science, including data analyst, data scientist, business intelligence analyst, data engineer, machine learning engineer, data architect, statistician, database administrator, big data engineer, and quantitative analyst. First, let's talk about the role of a data analyst. A data analyst is responsible for interpreting data, analyzing results using statistical techniques, developing and implementing data analysis, data collection systems, and other strategies that optimize statistical efficiency and quality. They are experts in working with data and are skilled in data visualization and communication. Next, we have the data scientist. A data scientist collects, analyzes, and interprets large, complex datasets using statistical techniques and machine learning algorithms. They are experts in programming languages such as Python or R, and use machine learning to predict outcomes and make data-driven decisions. Moving on, a business intelligence analyst analyzes complex data sets to identify business opportunities and problems. They design and implement reporting dashboards that track key business metrics. They work closely with business stakeholders to understand their requirements and translate them into actionable insights. A data engineer develops, constructs, tests, and maintains architectures such as databases and large-scale data processing systems. They work with other data professionals to ensure that the data is properly stored, cleaned, and prepared for analysis. A machine learning engineer develops machine learning models using programming languages such as Python or R. They work closely with data scientists to build and deploy machine learning models and ensure they are integrated into business processes. A data architect designs and builds complex data storage systems that meet business requirements. They work with other data professionals to ensure that the data is stored securely and is easily accessible to the appropriate stakeholders. A statistician applies statistical methods to collect, analyze, and interpret data. They are experts in statistical modeling and analysis, and work closely with data professionals to ensure that the data is analyzed and interpreted correctly. A database administrator maintains databases by identifying user requirements and installing upgrades and patches when necessary. They work closely with other data professionals to ensure that the databases are properly maintained and optimized for performance. A big data engineer develops large-scale data processing systems using distributed computing tools such as Hadoop. They are experts in working with big data and ensuring that it is properly stored and processed. Finally, a quantitative analyst applies mathematical models to financial markets to develop investment strategies. They work closely with financial professionals to analyze data and develop investment strategies that maximize returns while minimizing risks. In conclusion, there are many job opportunities available in the field of data science. Whether you are interested in working with data storage systems, analyzing complex data sets, or building machine learning models, there is a role for you in this exciting field. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the different job roles available in data science. Thank you for watching.